don't scroll past yet. Today, a chance to honor the most misunderstood marvels of the wild, feared by many, but very vital to our ecosystems. Snakes silently control rodent population, keep diseases in check, and help maintain nature's delicate balance. No, they don't chase us. They avoid us. They don't seek conflict. They seek survival. Whether coiled in stillness or gliding through grass, they remind us of grace, patience, and power without noise. Let's shed our fear and embrace the truth that snakes aren't really villains. They indeed are guardians of the ground beneath our feet. In silence they glide, no boast, no bark, yet they light the balance in the forest dark.